Bowser has kidnapped Princess Peach! Ah! Oh no! You stuck me in slime!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
The princess is mine! I will marry her!
No! You must set her free!
Never! You will never win against me!
Maybe with some magical help I might. Ah! Fizzy! Bowser has kidnapped Princess Peach!
Fizzy! I need help too! 3-Eye has taken my unicorn stickers! Hey, don't worry, Phoebe. We can teach them both a lesson about teamwork!
Great! But how?
Well, we can play a game together and then rescue Princess Peach! The Death Trap game! Great idea, Phoebe! Alright, time for some fizzy magic! Fizzy, whizzy, bo-bizzy bop!
Fizzy, will this work? I mean, it's Bowser and Three Eye. They don't really do teamwork.
Trust me, Mario!
Okay, Fizzy. Hey, we can make it a fun competition.
Alright, Bowser's on my team!
Woohoo! And Fizzy and Phoebe are on my team.
Alright! Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Let's get started. You know what that means. It's time to drop that desk. Yay, red, like me. I wonder what's inside. I don't know, Mario. Time to find out. Whoa, look! It looks like puzzle pieces! We've got 1, 2, 3. I wonder what this could be for.
I don't know, Miss Hands. Let's drop another disc and see if we can find any more clues.
Great idea, Fizzy. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's yellow, like me. Come on, let's open it. All right, Three Eye. I wonder if what's inside here will help us work it out. Sounds pretty noisy. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look! It's more puzzle pieces. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we're doing a puzzle.
Yay! I love puzzles! They're my favorite! Hey, Fizzy! Yes, Phoebe? Maybe the puzzle is something to do with rescuing Princess Peach! That's such a good idea, Phoebe! Thanks, Fizzy! Hey, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Can you drop another disc, please?
Of course I can, Phoebe.
Awesome sauce!
Hey, it's green, like my show! I wonder how many pieces of the puzzle I'll get!
I don't know. Let's find out, Bowser. All right, more puzzle pieces. And we've got 1, 2, 3.
Only 3? Hey, how come Mario got more pieces than me?
I guess it's my lucky day, Bowser. Come on, let's drop another desk.
All right.
Ooh, orange! Miss Hands, open it!
All right, Fizzy. Hey, I wonder how many pieces of the puzzle we'll get in the orange box. Here we go. Whoa, we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, this piece looks just like Princess Peach.
Yay! More puzzle pieces! But, uh-oh! I'm not very good at puzzles! Don't worry, Phoebe. We're a team, so we can do the puzzle together! Awesome sauce! Working together is so much fun! Hey, Miss Hands! Let's drop that desk! Alright! It's Boo! Like me! Hey, Miss Hands! You know what to do!
I sure do, Fizzy. It's time to open it. Yay! We did it! And look, we've got another 1, 2, whoa, 3 pieces. Hey, Bowser, it's not fair. I want more of the colorful pieces.
Well, what are we gonna do?
I got it! Let's take some of Mario's! Shh! Hey, that's not fair! Stop that! Why don't you come get them? All right then. Oh no! You stuck me in slime!
Time for some fun!
Phoebe! Come help!
Don't worry, Mario! I'm coming!
Shh!
Oh, wait! It's just a butterfly! Pretty butterfly!
Slime throw! Ha! Uh-oh! Everybody, run!
Hey, stop it! Everybody stop! We need to work together if we are gonna solve the puzzle!
Huh! Never!
But what about Princess Peach? Yeah, she'll love the puzzle!
Oh yeah, you're right! Princess Peach! How could I forget? Quick, drop another desk!
Woohoo! Quick, Miss Hands, open it! All right, here goes. I wonder what's inside the black box. Yay! It's the final puzzle pieces. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome sauce! We did it! Great work, team! Hey, Miss Hands, can you help us make the puzzle, please?
Of course I can, Phoebe. But uh-oh, we've got so many pieces. Hey, we could always start with the outside pieces.
Great idea, Mario!
All right, time to find the corner pieces. So we're looking for any with a flat edge. That's a good corner. Now to put these ones together. Amazing! We did it!
Alright, but what do we do now? That's just the outside.
Now we find all of the puzzle pieces to make Princess Peach. Like this.
It's all pink, just like me!
That's right, Phoebe. And now look, we've done all of the beautiful sky.
Yay! The beautiful green sky!
Nearly, Phoebe. Look, the sky is blue. The grass is green. See?
Oh, yeah! Silly me! Now what?
Now for the castle!
Awesome sauce!
Ta-da!
Yay! I love castles! What now?
Now we've just got to finish off Toad. Ta-da!
Yay! We did it! We rescued Princess Peach!
Yay! My princess! My one true love!
Oh, Mario, you rescued me.
No! How dare you take my princess?
Oh, now this is getting heated.
Ah, take that!
Uh-oh, Mamma Mia! Come on, Princess Peach, let's get out of here. Goodbye.
You'll never escape me!
Now that's my idea of teamwork. So long, Fizzy and Phoebe.
Oh no, Fizzy! It all went wrong! It's alright, Phoebe. We showed them what real teamwork is all about. Yeah, we're the best team ever! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time! Hey, Fizzy, maybe we could do our own puzzle.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.